Have you seen such a beautiful sight? Everyone's feeling jolly tonight. I can't wait for that look in your eyes.
Hi, and welcome to Rooted in Essential Oils. My name is Famous, and today we are going to be unboxing in this video. So welcome to day 2 of Vlogmas. I hope you're enjoying it so far, and if you missed day 1, go back and watch it. I would appreciate you supporting the channel, but more importantly, let's learn and grow together. We got a small unboxing. And if you've been around my channel, you know I'm all about health and wellness. And that is what we're going to be unboxing tonight. So this is a order that I did from my health and wellness website. And if you choose to, you can order from the website too. All natural plant-based products, better for your health and environment. So in this box, there's not a lot in here, but there's a lot of greatness. So first thing first, I wanted to do something with my skin and using natural soaps. So I did grab some soaps, and again, this is from last month. So we got some peppermint cedarwood. I've never used this one, but I know it's gonna smell amazing without the chemicals. It's not like blue or green or pink. Yeah, you can smell that peppermint. It smells amazing. This is definitely a good one for the morning. If you didn't know, peppermint is really good for awakening. And I like to take my showers in the morning. So we're gonna be waking up first thing in the morning. It's called peppermint cedarwood. Really, really good. Love that. All natural ingredients. This next one is called Valor, and I have ordered this one before. Valor is a unique scent. I use it as a cologne, and it smells amazing. If you're not familiar with Valor, it boosts up your confidence, but it's also good for snoring. So if you have the oil, you could put it on your big toe and it will stop the snoring. But this is the soap, so you can see it has slightly a blue-green color to it compared to the other one, and that's because there's blue tansy in here, and that oil is blue, so that's why it's slightly colored. But yeah, it's a really great soap. It does have these like little specks in it. I don't know if you can actually see it, but it's to help exfoliate your skin, and I believe it's oats. And the ingredients will tell you what's in here. So there's blue spruce, campora, blue tansy, frankincense, geranium, essential oils, and there is no parabens, petroleum chemicals, synthetic fragrance, artificial colors, or animal-derived ingredients, which is a great thing. Love this, and I can't wait to actually use it. And yeah, there are some oat bran in here. Oat bran, I should say. Not brain, bran. Oat bran, so that's what's in here. And that's to exfoliate your skin, get the unalived skin cells off of you. All right, we got some oils. And this one is called Idaho Grand Fir. And this smells like a tree. If you have pine trees, but this smells like a forest in a bottle. I definitely wanted to stock up on my tree oils, because tree oils do promote like boosting up your mood if you were in a depressed mode. I'm not in a depressed mode, but I want my house to smell like a forest, especially during the holiday season. So I'm getting a lot of tree oils like Idaho Grand Fir, there's juniper, pine, evergreen essence, a lot of tree oils. And we want the whole house to smell like trees during this holiday season, because we use artificial trees. If you see behind me, it's not a real tree, but we want that real scent in the home, and that's how we're gonna get it, is with natural plant-based essential oils. And we got some more oils. We'll save this one because that was last and it was free. All right, so we got vanilla, and this is actually a resin. It's actually not an essential oil. So essential oils are steam distilled or cold pressed. With this one, it's extracted from the flower of the vanilla plant, and it's pulled out and it's a lot thicker. So a resin is different from essential oils. Essential oils are the blood of the plant, and resin is different. The best way I can explain it is it's extracted slightly different, and it's a lot thicker than essential oils. So this is mixed with coconut oil, and it has a very beautiful scent. If you like vanilla, you'll love this. But I love using this, and I wish it came in a bigger bottle. We also got Winter Night. Remember, I had to stock up on my tree oils, and Winter Night has it's very Christmas-like. It's like slightly spiced with tree oil and like peppermint. It's a blend of oils. So what is in here is, and if you peel back the label, you can read what's in here. There is orange, peppermint, and Monera leaf oil, citrus, wood oil, citrus. So those are the oils that are in here. Winter Night is what it's called, and it smells amazing. It's slightly like tree, like spice. It has a very nice, unique scent to it, and I definitely wanted to stock up on this. That's my chicken tenders, y'all. So that is everything that we ordered. And with this order last month, I was able to meet the free requirements of getting a free product. So when you do a loyalty order, you get free things in return, and how you get that is spend a certain amount. So I was able to spend 100 PV with this order from the 3 oils that I ordered and the bar soaps. And that means I was able to get spearmint for free. Spearmint is a great one. If you've seen my other unboxings, you've seen that I have this twice already. So this is my 3rd one, and we are good to go on spearmint. It's a vitality oil, so vitality means you are able to consume it. Unlike this Grand Fir, it's green. This is a white label, and it says vitality underneath it. So you're able to consume it, put it in your drinks, put it in your baked goods, anything like that, and a little bit goes a long way. So 1 drop is more than enough, but we'll be using that for the holiday season. And that is everything in this box. I did get this, and it's like a fragrant card because we have some new colognes and perfumes, his and hers. And if you want to check out that website, it'll be linked in the description. And it gives you a sample, so you can see if you would like to have one of these or both of them. And it smells just like this. I already have them. I have both of them. So check out the description if you want more information about the clean scents with the colognes and perfumes. But thank you for watching. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you on day 3 for Vlogmas, And until next time, bye for now. Pay for your health now or pay for your sickness later. Till next time, love you.